Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hacks for Life. So in today's video we will learn about the tool Ngrok. So Ngrok is basically a cross-platform application that enables developers to expose a local development server to the internet with minimal effort. This software makes your locally hosted web servers appear to be hosted on a subdomain of ngrok.com, meaning that no public IP or domain name on the local machine is needed. In generic terms, we actually describe this phenomenon as port forwarding, as you have people known who are working in the hacking domain. So this is the website ngrok.com. So after going to the website, you have to log in, right? So after login, you will get the option to install the tool for Windows, Mac, Linux, free BDS as well, right? This tool is basically free, but there are limitations, right? For example, you can only so let me show you. So in the basic free version, you will actually only create one online Ngrok process and 4 tunnels with a maximum of 40 connections per minute, which the server or the subdomain in which you are hosting can actually hold. So basically I have downloaded the tool, right? So it will give you a zip file. So after you unzip that file, this is how the exe file looks, right? So if I type ngrok in this particular folder, it will give you a basic summary, right, along with the options and the syntax used for running this tool. For example, ngrok http 80 command actually exposes the internal port 80 over internet using this command, right? So before you go forward with this tool, you basically have to authorize this tool, right? In order to do so, you will get a token on the website after logging in. So this is a very important step. So let me copy this particular command, right? So if I run this command, it will show the configuration has been saved, right, or token saved to configuration file. So now I can use this ngrok command without any hassle. So now what I will do, I will create a folder, right, which I actually want to host my HTTP server. Let's create a basic file just for test purposes. So you can also have other types of data as well: images, videos, exe files, games, anything you want, right? So basically now what I will do is I will create a local HTTP server. You can create a local HTTP server using various softwares like Apache Tomcat, but in this video I will be using Python because it's very easy to use, and the command is also very easy. So basically I'm using Python version 3.9.1. You can also use any version less than 3 as well. So in that case the syntax will be a little different. It will be Python -m star https server. So right, but in Python 3 the command is Python -m http dot server, right. What it will do is it will create a local HTTP server on port 8000. So if I try to open my local host on port 8000, it will show me the text file, but I cannot use this particular address publicly to access this particular file. So here comes the use of this particular tool. So basically what I will do is I will now create an HTTP process, ngrok process. Ngrok http and the port number which I want to expose publicly. So in my case I'm hosting the HTTP servers on the local port 8000, so I will write 8000. So now I am connected. It will show you the version of the software you are using, right, along with a web interface and the forwarding. So what the web interface will actually do, it will actually show you from where are you receiving the request to access your particular server. So as you can see, this is the command line address and other details, right? Server details, Ngrok server details, and you can see it's online. So now what I can do is I can actually use this particular links HTTP and HTTPS, but it is recommended to use HTTPS because it's more secure than HTTP. So if I use this particular URL, I will have access to my HTTP server which I have locally hosted, right? You can use this particular link from anywhere around the world, in your phones, in your other laptop, in your offices, right, to access this particular folder that you have or the particular server that I have hosted. So one of the drawbacks or disadvantages of using this tool is you have to always run the HTTP server and the Ngrok service that is running on your desktop. So as soon as you turn off your desktop, it won't work basically. So each and every time you have to again restart this process and create a new service and create a new link. That's all for the video. Please like, share and comment on this video.